Good morning from Grand Family Farm. It's about 6:30 and it is about 60 degrees out. Sure is pretty. Hopefully the weather holds so we can get some stuff done around the farm. Bella knows it's time to be milked. Come on, Bella. Come here. Oh, the little goat wants attention. Hi, Bella. Yep, I gotta put the camera down so I don't open the gate and so other goats don't get out. Look at that. What are you doing? Brandy, don't eat that leash. Get up there, Bella. Good goat. Bella loves the corn. Noisy pig. Bella's been milked. She's put it back away. We're eating their hay. Junior here's not happy because she wants alfalfa. She don't want to eat that grass hay. These little piggies like the grass hay. I was going to plant this section of lawn, where this dirt is. I came out here, getting ready to do it, and when it started picking up, it's getting worse and worse. It's been the windiest spring that we've ever had since I've lived here. Well, it's feeding time. That thing is, the wind's blowing. I have to throw the hay upwind, and that leg right there, I have pieces of it all down my shirt, my eyes. Yeah, not liking this wind. Okay, it's getting worse. Doesn't like feeding and have hay blowing in your eyes. Now wait for the wind to go away. All the animals are fed and they are watered. Well, actually give them grain. I'm going to come down with milk Bella tonight. Lisa just milked Bella, and I just drained the pigs. And this is the end of the day for us down here at the barn. The wind has died down a little bit. It's still a little breezy. Hopefully tomorrow will be better. But I thank you very much for watching. Have a great evening.